Want to get AdSense approval faster for your website? Here are some essential tips for publishers. Tip 1. Create high-quality content. Make sure your articles are original, informative, and valuable to your audience. Tip 2. Ensure your website has a clean, professional design. Easy navigation and a user-friendly layout are crucial. Tip 3. Include essential pages like privacy policy, about us, and contact us. These add credibility to your site. Tip 4. Avoid duplicate content. Make sure everything on your site is unique and original. Tip 5. Optimize for speed and mobile friendliness. Ensure your site loads quickly and looks good on all devices. Tip 6. Regularly update your site with fresh content. Consistency is key to maintaining and improving your site's quality. Tip 7. Apply for AdSense with a professional email address. Use an email that matches your domain name. Follow these tips to increase your chances of getting AdSense approval faster. Focus on quality, user experience, and professionalism. For more tips and expert advice on website monetization, visit Monetiscope.com. Your success is our mission. Monetiscope, empowering publishers to achieve their digital advertising goals.